Here we are at Jefferson County Park Nature Center. Going to have a fabulous bird class with Toad, Therese Comiskey, going in. It's Friday, January 15th. This is the start of our bird weekend because then we're going to go to Keokuk for the good part of the weekend and learn about birds of prey and other animals, especially the eagles, for Eagle Days in Keokuk. Eagle Days, Appreciation Days. There's Toad.
Hi, guys.
Say hi, Toad.
Hello.
There's Toad, everybody's favorite. All right, we're heading into Nature Center. Oh, great little Nature Center here.
Probably time for us to go tonight.
Everyone do like a little butt touch back and make her a little circle.
Here you go.
All right. I have an answer.
Would win in a fight? A Wolverine or an American Dad? Probably Wolverine. I think Wolverine.
Hello.
Yes.
That'd be intense, man. That'd be really intense.
Wolverines
All right.
can be wolves.
1, 2, 3. We need more chairs. We need more chairs.
Yes. They can make bears back off.
No, you can do it.
Honey Badger and
Took some of this stuff off yet? Take a little bit of it off. You want to take the neck thing off? Okay.
Chair, chair.
There's the famous moose that my daughter had her picture taken with 20 years ago with Toad. It was in the Fairfield Ledger. Oh, there's a squirrel out on the bird feeder there.
Wolverine versus Badger.
What about the honey badger? Maybe. I think the badger
It's
would
Mr.
hold out for a
Wolf. Or no,
while,
it's the
but
bear.
in the end, I think the Wolverine it would take him.
I think the Wolverines are probably known for a little bit nastier disposition. Possibly.
Honey badger is a honey badger versus Wolverine at the top. Yeah.
Honey Badger, but don't they eat like honey and bees and bugs?
No, honey badger are stand up lions. Yeah, they can make lions out of honey.
Well,
Babies, they
okay.
scare.
Since our American Badger is coming to a meadow lion.
Scare lions. Honey
I
badger.
don't know, good question.
A honey badger would probably just
Possible. We have mountain lions. It might have been a mountain lion. Lucy, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Brilliant! Welcome here on a Friday with no school. It's a good thing. Cool. I'm glad you guys came out. All right. So let's do this. Scooch closer to me. I'm pulling over here. There you go. Thank you. Okay. So we're going to go around. I'm going to have you tell me your name first. First time around, tell me your name. Because not everybody might know each other here. So why don't you tell me your name, what school you go to, and you may be homeschooled, so you say homeschool. And we'll go all the way around and we'll get to know each other. Over here, please.